So in this video we're going to talk about advanced functions, the graph, its characteristics, and its transformations. So for my equation, I have 1/4 square root of x minus 3 plus 4, and I notice that square root of x, so I know my parent function will look like this. So now this is telling us, well, let's start with this one. This is telling us it's going to be a vertical compression of 1/4. This is going to tell us to move right 3, and this is telling us to move up 4. So now that you have your transformations ready, you can start graphing. So first, I always do translations first, it's easier for me. So I'm going to go right 3, so we're going to go 1, 2, 3, and up 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is going to be about right here, and we have to compress vertically by 1/4. So there's going to be less of a curve, so that's going to be my compression. Now we're going to have to find its characteristics, which is going to be its domain, range, and asymptotes. So now for the domain, it's all the numbers that are going, that can it's like stretch by. So the domain for this one, we're going to look here. So we're going to go, I always look right here first. It's going to be 1, 2, 3, and all the numbers going this way because the graph does not exist anymore. Going to the left, it's all to the right. So my domain is going to be x has to be greater than or equal to 3. My range, I look at my range, I look at my y values, and I'm going to say, I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4. My range can go up greater than 4. It cannot go less because the graph does not exist anywhere lower than this. So my range has to be y has to be greater than or equal to 4. Now for my asymptotes, an asymptote is the line that it gets close to, but it will never touch. And in this function, we don't have any lines that it gets close to and it doesn't touch. So that means there will be no asymptotes. And that is how you work out this equation and find its characteristics.